Okay? Once your dough has been for its first rise, you then want to distribute that carbon dioxide, and not all the yeast is getting to work. It's not all active, so you know, knocking at the door, telling the rest of it to wake up and get a move on. We are then going to add some tension, so you're folding into the center, and when you roll over, you reveal again a nice smooth surface, and you want to tighten that up like so. Okay, there we have it. So a little bit of flour on the side, and you allow that to rest on that floured surface. Degas again. You will do the same for each piece, then fold into the center, roll over, hands in that V shape. Now notice I am really pinching at the bottom to try and seal that seam closed. And away we go.